Music is broken, artists know it, and faith-driven listeners feel it.
Today's music platforms promise exposure but deliver exploitations. Artists are paid pennies. Revenue flows through block boxes, and ethical or faith-based values are treated as irrelevant. SoundFi is fixing this. Good day to everyone. I'm the CEO of SoundFi. I'm Camille Tribiana and I'm here to present you our project. SoundFi is music built on fairness, transparency, and purpose. SoundFi, the sound of trust. The global music industry is massive, but it is deeply unfair. Artists don't get paid what they deserve. Streaming revenues are hidden and impossible to verify. There is no true Shariah-compliant alternative, and Muslim audiences are forced to compromise their values just to enjoy music. The result: creators are exploited, listeners feel disconnected, and trust in the system is completely broken. So what's missing? A platform that genuinely respects creators, a system that is transparent by design, entertainment that aligns with Islamic principles, and a community, not just another app. Despite billions of users globally, no major platform serves ethical, faith-conscious music consumers. Until now. So what is the solution? The solution is SoundFi, a blockchain-powered Shariah-compliant music streaming platform built for fairness and trust. SoundFi enables direct rewards to artists, transparent on-chain payments, a diverse range of music including nasheed, integrated news and information channels, and community-driven ecosystem rooted in shared values. With SoundFi, every stream has purpose and every rewards is fair. So why is SoundFi different? First, blockchain transparency. No hidden payouts, no manipulation. Second, Sharia compliance by design. Ethics are not an add-on, they are the foundation. Third, artists comes first. Creators are paid directly and fairly. Fourth, community-powered. Listeners actively support the creators they value. And finally, beyond music. SoundFi is also a platform for knowledge, news, and values. SoundFi isn't just streaming, it's stewardship. So how it works? The system is simple, ethical, and powerful. Artists upload their content, listeners stream and engage, smart contracts distribute rewards instantly, all transactions are recorded transparently on the blockchain, and a trusted community grows around shared principles. No middleman, no exploitation, no guesswork. Of course, we acknowledge the challenges. Competition from mainstream platforms, the complexity of blockchain infrastructures, regulatory requirements across regions, and the need to grow and sustain community engagement. But our response is clear. A niche-first strategy on faith-driven users, scalable, proven blockchain architecture, alignment with Sharia scholars and legal advisors, and strong creator-led community building. We are not trying to replace Spotify. We are building what Spotify never was. So here's our invitation. To artists, own your sound and get paid fairly. To listeners, stream with purpose, not compromise. To supporters, help build the future of ethical entertainment. Join us, support SoundFi. Become part of movement, redefining music with trust. Again, this is SoundFi, the music of trust. Thank you.